Well, gone very down long way there. Now, moving on to other stories, Asantehene Otumfuo II has indicated the possibility of turning around Ghana's economic woes despite the extent of deterioration. He admonished the newly appointed Finance Minister, Dr. Mohamed Amin Adams, to lead the charge of rebuilding. The Asantehene further drew the attention of the minister to the enormity of the task, especially as the demands of the public continue to soar. The Finance Minister paid a courtesy call on the Asantehene as part of a working visit to the Ashanti region. Nanaya Ojima has more in the following report.
Decision to seek financial bailout from the International Monetary Fund by the government became relevant due to the ailing economy. As part of conditions of the program, the country's debts were restructured, affecting completion of some government-initiated projects, including some major projects in the Ashanti region. Asantehene Otumfuo II emphasized the need for favorable policies to ensure recovery.
The economy is in a bad state. Times are very tough for a lot of people, but if we strategize very well, it will recover. Wherever your elder brother left off, you have to continue. We are not new to the ministry, and that's to your advantage. I will plead that you collaborate with your colleagues at the ministry to improve situations. The burden of the whole country falls on you now because we all look to you for finance.
The Finance Minister, Mohamed Amin Adams, who is on his first official visit to the Ashanti region after assuming office, sought to get updated on some stalled government projects in the Ashanti region. The Kumasi International Airport, which is about 70% complete, was one of the places of interest. Project manager George Tavares explained the extent of work done so far, reiterating the project stalled for financing.
The control tower, what is missing there is the installations, MEP installations, finishing and equipment. All the exterior of the control tower and the fire building is already concluded. Have done this, the airport management can migrate here to this terminal, and the control tower can migrate also for the new control tower. Then once this is done, we will demolish the old facilities.
According to the Finance Minister, efforts are being made to release an outstanding €2 million to the contractor after the release of €7 million in December. An agreement was reached with the contractors to complete works by end of April.
This project would have been completed some time ago, but for the challenges that we faced. Having said that, we have made renewed efforts to address those challenges. And as I indicated earlier, part of the outstanding amount of money which was to be paid for the project to resume has been paid to the contractor. What is left is about just €2 million, which we are going to do within 1 week. So that the contractor will have no excuse as far as funding is concerned to work to bring this to completion.
Meanwhile, contractors for the stalled mother and baby unit at the Konfanoche Teaching Hospital have received €14 million to return to site. Dr. Amin Adams is expectant of the impact the investment will make in the construction.
Of course, the hospital has challenges, and we are going to begin to give some urgency. I mean, we are in our last of our term, and so we should work to get them to appreciable level of conclusion. But I'm very optimistic that we are going to break the 8. The good works we are doing, what the President has delivered to the people of Ghana, I believe will be reciprocated by the people of Ghana by keeping our party in government so that we can start new projects and complete those we haven't completed yet. So thank you. Thanks to all of you.
For Joy News, Nana Ojima reporting.